Previously on What the Flip, you learned that we bought a house sight unseen. Eager to go view the house, we were waiting on a text from our realtor. Instead, we got a knock at the door. We received a mysterious letter with the location of the house. We typed it into the GPS and found one huge problem.
What?
That can't be right. That's really far. I mean, it says it's in here.
Whatever. Let's just go. Well, what are you waiting on? Let's go.
Who the hell did I marry? Hey, Kay, are you seeing this?
See what?
This glowing light over here.
Who cares? Come on, we're almost out.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm right behind you. It's right here? The last house was literally right down the street.
So what the hell was with the cave?
Kay, listen, from now on out, no more Apple Maps. It's Google.
Okay.
You saw the same thing that I did. Enough of that.
Whatever.
Hey man, I'm not in the mood for it. You saw last night I had to pick freaking darts out of my face.
You had to pick darts out of your
Hey, come on, I said thank you.
Well, that took longer than expected, but we finally found it. And what did you think of that intro sequence that we put together? We had a lot of fun making it. Did you like it? Did you not? Just let us know in the comments.
What is up, Flip fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at our next project. We're gonna be calling this the Ditto House because it has 2 front entrances and she was born in 1919 and we thought it would be cute to give it a nickname. That way we could distinguish this house between other projects we're working on. So today's video, we're just gonna go inside, take a look at the house, and show you what we're working with. So let's go ahead and head on inside. So we're gonna start with taking a peek at these 2 front doors. 1, 2, his, hers, Jack and Jill. All right, enough talking, let's go inside.
All right, so here's the layout. As soon as you walk in, you notice it's got a super weird design, making everything feel very cramped in here.
Okay. So first thoughts, it's not as bad as some of the other places we've been in all honesty. It looks like somebody has kind of fixed it up. I mean, they've painted the paneling.
Looks like somebody's put down some carpet, which means somebody's done some work to the place.
It's 2021, so I don't think we're gonna be keeping the carpet, especially this carpet. It wasn't very well done. You can see a lot of really obvious seams in places. Something else I've noticed about this room is this drop ceiling. The ceiling in here is at least a foot higher. So I'm assuming they maybe had some water damage or something, and that caused them to do the drop ceiling.
Okay, moving into what we think is the living room.
I do love the tall ceilings.
The ceilings are new. Somebody has replaced it with new sheetrock, which is always nice, and they look great. We've got paneling in this room as well as a closet, so it was probably considered a bedroom.
We've also got a fireplace right here, but there's no chimney on the roof of this house. So these are blocked up, I'm assuming for a reason. There's really no purpose in having these anymore. I'm thinking we're gonna try to remove this wall right here, but I'm kind of afraid that they just blocked up the fireplace and they didn't remove the brick. So,
Yep.
So if we're gonna try to remove this wall, it's gonna be a job.
It's gonna be real fun.
Also, the electrical in this house kind of blows. That's what you want to see, a nice vertical 2-prong, but that's a weird looking outlet.
I love this door. I'm sure this used to be the exterior of the house because this door matches the front door, but I would love to keep this if we can the same.
I don't know, what do you think, guys? You think curtain doors are gonna be trendy for 2021? You think this is gonna catch on? I don't think so. I don't hate the painted paneling in this room.
It's
They went
really
with like
pretty,
a,
actually. Like a lilac purple. Very pretty. There's some creaky spots.
I think we've got hardwood floor underneath this thing. Because it's very, all right. Time to check and see if we can find some hardwood floor. Everybody knows this trick. You find a vent in a room, you lift it up, you peel it back, and what do we have here? Oh,
Okay.
beautiful. Here, hold this.
It's actually nice.
Let's see.
It's like a cherry.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, they're wide plank. Nice. Okay. Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice.
That is so pretty.
Hang on. Hold the phone. Yes! Yes! Why would you cover this? This is beautiful. Man, I love that. I love little surprises.
We'll just put that back where we
Put that
found
back
it.
where we found it.
We'll just put that back. You will never know.
Okay, let's finish off in this room here. We have another fireplace that is closed up here. This mantle looks much better. Still, we're gonna get rid of it. We won't trash the mantle. We'll be sure to give it to somebody who wants it or sell it.
Look how old this mirror is.
Some old glass, y'all.
That's pretty cool.
The main downside about this house thus far is just the extremely goofy layout. Other than that,
Not too bad.
not too bad. Actually, maybe we spoke too soon because the kitchen and the bathroom in this house are terrible. So let's go ahead and take a look at that here. You hold this. Shoo, my arms are getting tired from ripping all that carpet up.
All right. Let's see what we got.
Carpet's tough.
Okay, so I think this will be the dining room because it's right off the kitchen, so that would only make sense. We've got some more painted paneling.
It is blaze orange, buddy.
Look how beautiful the trim is around all the doors though. So hopefully we can save this and use it in the future.
That is some beautiful trim. Hey, do you think I should tear up the carpet in this room to see if we've got hardwood underneath this one too?
We probably should.
Why do I enjoy that so much? That's so much fun. So
I mean, it's still hardwood floor, so that's great. But it does look a lot
more weathered.
more weathered.
I still think we'll be able to sand this and bring it back to life. So it's awesome that we have hardwood floors in the majority of the downstairs. So that's amazing.
Now let's check out that kitchen we were talking about. Okay, first thoughts is it is probably it is the smallest room in the house for sure. And we're trying to fit all of these utility items in here.
It's so tight. And there's no cabinets.
We have no cabinets in this kitchen.
I just noticed that.
So, but we do have some exposed shelves.
So this is all of our kitchen storage is in this rolly.
So if you need your island over here, if you need to chop some things near the sink, we'll just move it over close.
You know what I hate? I hate whenever you're cooking and you've got to walk all the way across the kitchen to get your other ingredients. Now, that's not an issue. Microwave too far away? Don't worry, have we got a solution for you. And this is my favorite part of this kitchen. Just look at the craftsmanship. Oh, the attention to detail. Whenever I remove a wood stove, I love just gobbing some plaster on top of the ceiling and hoping nobody will notice. Now, sometimes when you buy old houses, you get really lucky, and we hit the jackpot. Behind this door, check out this bathroom. Oh my God. This thing is big enough you could live in here. Whoa. Look how much space you have. I'm not a big man, and I'm just... Look how spacious this bathroom is. Another old creepy medicine cabinet.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Beautiful.
What's this one do? Oh my gosh, a little night
Light.
So we've got more of this. Do you think that this is like plaster that they imprinted or just kind of like it's a paneling?
Paneling. I actually secretly like these. Oh, no way! I really didn't notice this. Here. Check this out. We got... No way we got this lucky. More power poop bars, baby! Two bathrooms in a row of power poop bars? Son of a bitch, I'm getting a scratcher ticket today, buddy. You don't get luckier than that. 2 bathrooms with power poop bars? Hoo-ah! I've had a chance to collect myself. All right, so we've got
some more of this drop ceiling
More
first
drop
off
ceiling.
in this bathroom, which is whatever.
I'm hoping we can raise the ceiling in here as well. We've also got this tub surround nonsense. I'm thinking the only option that we're gonna have with this house, babe, I'm thinking our only option with this bathroom is we're just gonna have to make it bigger. This wall is gonna have to go.
So maybe we can extend the bathroom out just a little bit and move the kitchen elsewhere.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to talk to a structural engineer to figure out what is safe and legal. And yeah, we'll talk design and layout on the very next episode. But for now, let's go and move upstairs here. You go first in case there's anything up there that wants to kill us.
Oh, okay, cool, sure.
Fine, good luck.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God. Why is it so hot? Ooh, it's hot. And the sheetrock, buddy.
Yeah, first glance in this room whenever we come upstairs is how bad of a sheetrock job this is. You can still see the tape and everything.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
What's
What is that? What is that? That's like a hole in the wall that they tried to fix.
God, the roof is so
The
weird.
different weird angles we've got going on though.
What can we do with this? How did we not notice this? Oh my goodness.
Whoa, it is really hot in here.
Okay.
So this is cute.
All right. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Wow. So this is cool.
So I guess this would be a closet or something, but then how in the world do you hang up little railings to put up your clothes? How you do that? How you do that?
I don't know if this would be at all.
Look, we have another one over here. Oh, it's not as big.
Oh, so what are we gonna do with it? Okay, so yeah, this is much smaller.
Much smaller.
This is literally just the, well, what does this go to?
I don't know, but there's one over there too.
HVAC. Yeah, so there's the vent, so I'm assuming it's HVAC access. This one is extremely tiny. It's just like the inside of a dormer. Maybe you can make like a cool little dog room. Have you seen those little dog hotels or dog apartments? Maybe we could do something like that. I don't know. Okay, let's get back downstairs. Okay, so it looks like it should be a laundry room. I'm assuming this is a closet, but we will probably turn this whole thing into a laundry room. Hey, check this out. Some old school clapboard siding right there. This used to be the outside of the house. Okay, and then this is where the house gets kind of weird. You open up this door here, you go down this awful set of stairs, you go to an even weirder part of the house. So you've got this creepy stairwell. You can see the original hardwood right there. And then cinder block wall with an exterior window that leads down
into this weird room at the back of the house, which honestly doesn't even feel like it belongs. It definitely feels like an addition. Everything seems newer than the rest of the house. Updated electrical. It honestly feels like a sunroom that someone just decided to finish and make part of the house. It's confusing, and that perfectly sums up this house. It's technically livable, I just don't know who would want to, and that's gonna be a real challenge trying to correct this layout and make this house feel like a place someone would actually call home.
All right, so that was the first look at our new project. Stay tuned because we will practically be gutting this house. We're going to really change the layout. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff with this house, so stay tuned for that.
Next week, we're talking layout and design. Leave us a comment down below to let us know what you want to see us do to this house.
All right, guys, that's it for us. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.